Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy guide on how to change your username on Roblox app using your mobile device. If you're tired of your old username or just want a fresh identity in Roblox, this video is for you. First of all, open up the Roblox app on your mobile phone and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on the 3 More menu button at the bottom right corner. And from the More menu, click on the Settings button. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Here you will see your current username. Tap on the little pencil button right next to the username option. And if you want to change your username, you'll need to spend 1000 Robux. Make sure you have enough Robux in your account before proceeding. If you don't have enough, you can also buy the Robux by tapping on Buy and following through the prompts. Once you have enough Robux, you can then go ahead and complete your new username change. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your username on Roblox mobile application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.